Hi fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maputo Mallu. In this video, I'll not be having the excitement that you see in all the videos because there's a reason behind that. The place where I'm standing, Villa Algarve, is one of the most horrific, terrifying places in entire Mozambique. If you don't believe me, go to Google, check out in Google. Go to Wikipedia, check out in Wikipedia. Or go anywhere else and type this name what you see. There is a reason to justify my statement. This place, which was established in 1934, has a huge history where the Portuguese police used to have this as an headquarter. The tile work, the look, the position of this building is so perfect that it's in the middle of the city, and the architecture is one of the finest in the 20th century. The tile work, you can never see such type of tile work anywhere. But there's a sad story behind that. The sad story is, in 1934, the Portuguese police took this as an headquarter. In this headquarter, what they have done is like they used to bring the freedom fighters, and from here they used to torture them. They used to torture them so much that they at last used to give their life for the country. So this video is dedicated to all the brave souls, the freedom fighters, all the Mozambicans, proud Mozambicans who got freedom from the Portuguese. This video is dedicated to them. I'll take you around, I'll show you the place. I'll not be having the excitement throughout the video, but I'll show you, I'll take you around the place. So fam, if you see the tiles work over here is one of the finest tile work. It was built in 1934, and these are the steps. Like for many years, no one has come to this place. These are the steps over here. Is okay, sir? Sangi. This is the plate. So fam, as you can see, like it's all gone. No one comes over here. So fam, these were the tile works which I was saying. The tile work is so amazing, so beautiful. Look at this, like how they have done. They are maintained so properly. All these were done in the 1934s. It was one of the most beautiful architecture of that time. These are the tile works, what you see over here. It's amazing. The sad part of this place is like the government has taken this. The Department of Law have taken this place for that they will be having their headquarters. After that, they have given to the Department of Tourism. But no one have taken initiative to renovate this place or to do something. It's still like this, and the gates are closed, all those things. It's like that. So fam, the rooms which over here is like very spacious. If you look at the walls over here, okay, it's written 25th September 1988. These are the 25th September 1988 posters. This is like 1991, the year when I was born. And all this place, like if you see, a lot of things were there. They have taken it out, different posters, different things from long history. So fam, right after that, like we have one more floor on the top, so we'll go over there. Okay. So fam, in the first floor when you see, like there are a lot of rooms, there's a lot of things. But if you see at this place, it's all nails over here, nails. This floor, this place is entirely filled with nails. I'm not sure, but I think this might be some type of torture that they have to walk or they have to sit, they have to lie, they might have been carried over this place. Because after that time, no one has renovated this place, no one has done anything. I'll show you these nails very closely. The entire room, from here till all the places, it's nails. Can you see the texture? See, these are the nails. Nails. The whole place is like nails. It's filled with nails. The whole, this floor, that place, everything. I don't want to go that side, but it's all nails. I'm pretty sure that there might be some torture, heavy torture that's happened. That's the reason like it's like this. Fam, as I've come over here, this place reminds of the freedom, the struggle that they have faced. The entire floors over there is filled with nails. There's only nails over there. This is almost like, it was built in 1934. It's almost like a century old. Okay, 90 years old approx. But imagine even after 90 years, there are so much nails. Imagine about the people who were tortured at this time. This video is dedicated to all the freedom fighters, all the brave hearts who fought for the freedom for Mozambique. And I'm proud that the Mozambique is having freedom, because like in this torture, all those things. See, I have heard a lot of rumors. Okay, one of the rumor was when someone used to be a freedom fighter or who fights for the freedom or who fights for the justice of this place, they used to tell that they take that person prisoner and they used to tell that we are taking him to Portugal, put him in the jail over there. And after what they do is like they used to bring that guy in this place and they used to torture him so much that he used to live his life. One of the most famous poet has mentioned about this place in 3 of his poems or novels. He has mentioned about this place, the torture, the horrific feeling of this place. Definitely, right after this, you will be going to the Google or you will be searching in the Wikipedia. You will be finding this place. What I want you all to understand is like there's a lot of sacrifice, there's a lot of pain, there's a lot of painful souls which stay over here. Pray for them and don't forget that this place is the most valuable place in Mozambique. Fam, in most of my videos, I do a sign-off video. In this video, I don't want to do a sign-off. This is the most beautiful building or the most beautiful architecture of the 19th century in Mozambique. I don't want to do cover up a lot of things because this place is having a huge story. There's a history behind this place. The corridors, the walls, the floor, if you with the nails, all those things. It has a lot of story to tell. I just want you all to pay respect for the freedom fighters who have fought, who have lost their soul just because of this freedom of the Mozambique. I just want you all to pray for them. And that's all from my side. That's all from Villa Algarve, Maputo. Bye.